What's going on YouTube? It's 5 stars, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get custom sound effects on your pistol or any weapon, just like that. Alright, so all you guys gonna want to do to get the sound effects is join the Discord linked in description, Dead Star. Go down to sound effects and pick whatever sound effect you want. So you want this one. Just look at the videos, click download, continue to download, wait for it to download, open the file, double click, close out of this. Now you're gonna try and locate your file, your Grand Theft Auto file. So for me, this PC, local program files, and Grand Theft Auto, search up Grand Theft Auto right here, double click, X64, audio, SFX, minimize this, and go to your download. Drag these two files in here. I already have them, so I don't need to drag them. But yeah, and just click replace. And yeah. Alright, once you load in, it should work. If you guys have any problems, DM me. My Discord is XOX13. But yeah, it should work. And yeah, it's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.